No, I want everybody to stand on this side.
You gotta stand.
Next we have to poke it.
All right, keep Ryder, get back.
Okay, ready?
You got to poke it all the way at the bottom.
Oh no! The border.
Move. Move, Madison.
The border.
It didn't work.
I
poked it.
All
Try
the
again.
way.
I did.
I don't think it works, Bruce.
Wait, the minnows.
There's Mentos on the side.
I see a big Mentos, really.
Poke it.
It's poked.
Oh wait, add more Coke or something. Here, let's add some Fanta.
All right, put some Fanta in it.
I want to.
Ah! I got it.
I do.
Okay, try it again. There's some minnows, okay.
Let's poke it now.
It's poked, Reagan.
Okay, no.
All right, guys, tell them this experiment did not work.
This experiment was a fail.
Bye.
I'm gonna keep it in.